In an isosceles trapezium, trapezium is a side where two sides are parallel and only two sides are parallel. Pair of opposite sides is parallel. These two are not parallel. If two pairs of opposite sides are parallel, it will become a parallelogram. An isosceles trapezium is a symmetric trapezium. That means these two are parallel, all right. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. And the non-parallel sides are equal. We draw a line smack through the midpoint of this line and perpendicular to it. That will happen to go through the midpoint of this line and be perpendicular to this. And one half will be a mirror image of the other half. Right? Wonderful. This is all we know about isosceles trapezium. Let's look at the choices. The sides are not parallel to each other. This is wrong. In a trapezium, one pair of sides is parallel to each other. So we cannot say they are not parallel. All the sides are equal. Wrong. The parallel sides will necessarily be unequal. If one pair of sides are parallel and equal in a quadrilateral, it will happen to become a parallelogram. You can prove that. So this is not true. All the sides are equal. That is not true. These two cannot be equal. Non-parallel sides are equal in length. Bingo, we have a winner. The non-parallel sides, or sometimes they're called the legs of the trapezium, they are equal in length. That is true. So that is the correct answer choice.